Hi everyone, this is Ramalinga Prasad Kuppa. Welcome to my channel, Pharma World. Today's topic is Equipment Qualification, Installation Qualification, Part 2. Let us discuss the Equipment Qualification, Part 2. In the first part of qualification of equipment, design qualification was discussed in Part 1 video. And in this part 2 of the video, the salient features of installation qualification are discussed. After the design aspect, installation qualification is the next step in qualification. The guideline says installation qualification, which is abbreviated as IQ, is a documented verification that the equipment or systems as installed or modified comply with approved design, the manufacturer's recommendations and/or user requirements. This also is a documented verification activity. It may be installed as per the design recommendations as such or modified to suit the locational or user requirements. There should be documented scientific justification if the design or installation is modified to suit the user requirement. Let us understand more on this. Installation is done as required in the manufacturing stream for utilizing the services effectively for the purpose it is intended for. Equipment installation should be done as per the operating design. For example, a reactor of about 6 kiloliters capacity is installed in such a way that the top half portion is on the first floor and the bottom half is in the ground floor. Centrifuge is installed just below the reactor. Installation of centrifuge is very critical. It is a very high speed rotating equipment. Unless it is installed in a proper way, there could be fatal accidents. The transfer pipelines and the heat exchangers should have adequate slope for free transfer of material from one equipment to the other. This way, each and every part of the entire stream should be installed properly. It is necessary to document if the equipment is installed as per the design or modified to suit the locational or user requirement. All these sequential installation points have to be documented fully. Modifications, if any, have to be justified. The modification has to be minor in nature and should not significantly compromise on the operation of the equipment. So the requirement is that the modification should be to the minimum extent and not to compromise on the basic operating principles of the equipment. If modification is done, it is necessary to justify the modification through a risk assessment report. All modifications have to be justified by Quality Risk Management Guideline Q9, the Failure Mode Effects Analysis, that is FMEA, the Hazard Operability Analysis, that is HAZOP, the Preliminary Hazard Analysis, the PHA. Tools are very useful for effective evaluation of the risk. Let us understand on the timing of the qualifications. Section 12.30 prescribes to carry out the qualification activities individually or combined. This is a very important point to note. As explained in the part 1 video, the qualification could be done individually or combined. However, it is recommended to carry out the activities individually. This helps to focus on the intricate details of each qualification activity. So it is always recommended to carry out installation qualification individually. This way, the chances of missing any important and significant point can be avoided. If all are attempted at once, there is a tendency to take shortcuts. The right approach would be to review and sign off the design qualification report before initiating the installation qualification activities. After completion of installation, the drawings should be updated if there are any changes to the approved drawing. Piping and instrumentation drawings, you can call it as P and ID diagrams, is also necessary with unique identification for each piping and instrumentation. Different colored lines may be used for easy identification. Material entry markings may also be made to make the installation system comprehensive. The entire drawing should reflect the two-dimensional picture of the installation. I hope you understood the basic requirements of installation qualification, and I'll try to explain you more on the operation qualification in part 3 of this series. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you.